Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at IRA Design by Creative Tim. It is an illustration website with multiple different kinds of illustrations. Here we have a gradient effect and there are lots to explore on this website. So let's dive right in and check out each and every one of them. So as you can see, this is the home page and they ask you to choose colors, and you can choose colors from here, from the side panel, or even from here. So now it's really simple with all of these really nice gradient effects. So let's go ahead and try this character out. So that is the sofa. It looks really nice. So the object, that's the object, and the hair is like light, uh, slightly on the gradient blue. Um, yeah, it's nice. Okay, I'm going to stick to the first option, which is more like gradient purple to blue. And for the t-shirt, I'm going to see what matches, how it looks. uh, okay, this is like a quad set, so that looks really nice. So yeah, so this is really nice, and so we have changed only this object, like the man and the object over here. So this is like one entire illustration, one entire scene. But then we have also this, and we can also click on view all to see more of the similar kind of illustrations. So again, we can go ahead and play around. So let's check how it looks with our previous combination of gradients. So the hair was this and the object was that. It looks really nice. So let's say that you want to download an image for your website or for your app. You can simply hover over the image that you want. Like for example, I'm hovering over this image. So it gives you two options. One is PNG, one is SVG. So I'm going to click on PNG, and it gives you the code right here in case you want to embed into HTML code. You can simply do that, and it also has exported the image right here. So that's really nice, and same method goes for SVG as well. You get the SVG image as well as the code for your HTML. So that's really nice. So I'm going to close this. So this is everything with uh, gradient effects and a little bit of background, as you can see in these images. So now let's go ahead and click on illustration. Let's check out characters. So character, again, everything is the same except we don't have background. So that is really nice. So yeah, so let's go ahead and play around. So in this case, we have only the trouser, t-shirt, and a hair, which is pretty cool. If you change one, because there's only one side panel, so everything changes. So in this case, you can compare and see what you like, and you can download only one of them. Or yeah, it's pretty cool. So now let's scroll back to the top, and you can again click on illustrations, select object. Yeah, these are just objects. So for the example that we saw previously, the first example with the person and the background, here it's just like the object is just object, and the character is character. So in that case, you can download any one of this and any one of the character, and you can merge them together in that case. So here the same thing happens. There's only one gradient. I mean, there are five different shades of gradients, but there's one object. So that's pretty cool. And in case you want to download the SVG and you're good at a vector, you can do that as well. So that's a plus point that you have over there. And let's check out backgrounds. So background's really nice, except that you do not have an editing option. You don't have the side panel where you have gradients. But like I mentioned earlier, you can download the SVG and you can assemble the character and the objects according to how you want to look. So let's click on all illustrations to see. Yeah, so it is a combination of the previous three tabs. So now let's check on outline, characters. It is purely black and white with a little bit of shade, which is really cool. And yeah, and finally we can look at objects for outline, and it is the same, but it's black and white, a little bit of shade. And yeah, you can use this for free in your projects and your website, your apps, pretty much anywhere, and it will give your website a good look. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.